Hello everyone, welcome to VK7 Tech. Today I've got something really interesting for you. I ordered this New Republic 20-watt soundbar from Swiggy Instamart, and guess what? I got it at the lowest price. The packaging looks great, and you can also see their hashtag here, New Code of Cool. Let's turn it over, and here we have their branding and slogan, focusing more on bass. And this is the wireless soundbar 20 model. Gives up to 20 watt output, and at the back they've mentioned about its features and functionalities. So without wasting time, let's quickly peel off the box cover. And this one right here. Let's open it up. And this is so good packaging, even at this price range, which is cool. Let's take out the speaker. Here we got additional contents like warranty card, stickers, user manual and other cards. And we got a Type-C cable, which is pretty good. Now let's take out the speaker. And alright, the first impression, the build quality looks really good at this price. You can see two stereo speakers inside of it, with woofers alongside on front facing. And on top, we have functional buttons. Volume buttons, mute and pause play buttons. And this speaker also comes with inbuilt microphone so that you can attend calls from speaker itself. And on the back, we have input slots, power switch, headphone jack, microSD slot, USB port and Type-C port for charging. Overall, the build quality looks really great and premium for the price. But that's not all. What really do matter is sound. Now let's jump to that part. Simply, I'll turn on the speaker.
Welcome to New Republic, Bluetooth mode.
Alright, the light is blinking. Now it's on pair mode. Now let's open the phone. Go to Bluetooth. This speaker also supports the latest 5.3 Bluetooth as well. Here it's detected as New R Soundbar 20. Now pair the device. You can connect it to your PC or laptop via headphone jack or go wireless. And there we go. And if we go to settings, it has 90% of battery. You can attend calls, control media as well. Now let's test the speaker sound quality. Now let's check out its deep bass. Overall, the sound quality is really great for the price they're offering. The bass is pretty balanced, not too loud, but definitely good enough for everyday use. If you're looking for a budget soundbar, this one is worth checking out. I've added the purchase links in the description below, and sometimes during festive sales, you can even get this speaker at an even lower price, under 500 rupees. So make sure you check it out. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.